Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a game-changing product that is going to revolutionize the way you clean your car. Introducing the 98,000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful cleaning machine that is a must-have car accessory and home appliance. Let's talk about the key features of this amazing handheld vehicle vacuum cleaner. First of all, it comes with a new upgraded brushless motor, which provides a vacuum degree of 98,000 PA. That's right, 98,000 PA. This means that it has strong suction power that can easily clean up any dirt or debris in your car. Not only that, but it also comes with a lithium battery capacity of 2*2000 mAh and a Type-C charging line, ensuring that you can use it for a long time without worrying about running out of battery. And with a noise level of less than 52 dB, you can say goodbye to loud and annoying vacuum cleaners. But the best part is that it's not just for cars. You can use it to clean your home, blow dust, balloons, and so much more. It's a versatile cleaning tool that you absolutely need in your life. If you're still not convinced, let's compare it to the basic version. The basic version only has a vacuum degree of 8,000 PA, which is significantly lower than the upgraded version. Plus, the basic version comes with an ordinary motor, while the upgraded version has a brushless motor for better performance. So why settle for less when you can have the best? Don't wait any longer to upgrade your cleaning game with the 98,000 PA Car Vacuum Cleaner. Simply click the link in the description to get your hands on this powerful cleaning machine. Trust me, you won't regret it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.